How to download your places on Facebook mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to download your places on Facebook mobile. First thing, go to Facebook and then click these three lines here in the top corner and go down, click settings and privacy and then settings and go down here until you find download your information. Click on it and then just click this select all and select your places and go down, select data range and format and media quality and then click create file, and now just wait and it will be created. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and subscribe and see you in the next video.